So the chapter tissue is very easy, I guess, because what is tissue? You should be knowing. क्या होता है tissue? Combination of cells. Not in Hindi, English only you tell. Combination of cells, or you can call cluster of cells. Cluster means group. And one more thing, boy, I sent it the video of the nutrition in that plants and animals. This is in the group I sent it now. So that is a part second of chapter 5. जो chapter 5 हम, हाँ बेटा देखो हम लोगों ने सेल बारे में तो पढ़ लिया था कि नहीं नहीं देखो कैसे है, आई एक्सप्लेन यू ना. द फंडामेंटल यूनिट ऑफ लाइफ इज सेल. जो फंडामेंटल यूनिट है लाइफ की वो सेल है. एंड टिश्यू इज व्हाट चैप्टर? टिश्यू में क्या बता रहा है? कॉम्बिनेशन, क्लस्टर और ग्रुप. तो ये जब कंबाइन हो रहे हैं तो कैसे कंबाइन हो रहे हैं? सो फॉर दैट यू शुड बी नोइंग अपॉन न्यूट्रिशन. यू शुड बी नोइंग अबाउट न्यूट्रिशन, क्योंकि न्यूट्रिशन क्या होता है? प्रोसेस ऑफ टेकिंग फूड. और फूड में क्या प्रेजेंट होते हैं? न्यूट्रिएंट. व्हाट आर प्रेजेंट इन द फूड? न्यूट्रिएंट. जब सेल को ये न्यूट्रिएंट्स मिलते हैं तो वो क्या होता है? मल्टीप्लाई होना स्टार्ट हो जाता है. 1 to 2, 2 then 4, then 8, 16 लाइक दैट. और जब ये मल्टीप्लिकेशन होता है, देयर इज अ रिप्रोडक्शन प्रोसेस इन अ सेल. व्हाट हैपेंस? इट फॉर्म्स अ टिश्यू. उसको समझने के लिए हमें पहले पता होना चाहिए कि एक सेल जो है वो न्यूट्रिशन कैसे ले रहा है. ईदर इट इज अ ऑर्गेनिज्म और इट इज अ प्लांट. क्योंकि दोनों ही क्या कर रहे हैं? न्यूट्रिएंट्स तो ले ही रहे हैं. दे आर टेकिंग न्यूट्रिएंट्स, बट हाउ दे आर टेकिंग एंड मल्टीप्लाइंग दिस यू शुड नो. देन वी विल कैरी ऑन चैप्टर टिश्यू. क्योंकि जो फर्स्ट है दैट इज प्लांट टिश्यूज. मैरिस्मेटिक टिश्यू, इट इज प्रेजेंट एट एपिकल मेरिस्टेम, इंटरकैलरी, लेटरल. इट इज शोन, करेक्ट ना? उसके बाद देखोगे तो परमानेंट टिश्यूज हैं. So the chapter, the video which I sent it of you nutrition, that is connected to this chapter only. To understand better, और हम लोगों का जो बायो का सिलेबस है वो 9th and 10th it will be completed within a few months. तो 10th में हमें दोबारा केवल रिवीजन करना होगा, करेक्ट ना? बायो पार्ट विल बी योर फुल कंप्लीट. द टारगेट विच आई एम टेकिंग इज दैट 9th plus 10th स्टेप वाइज वी विल स्टडी द चैप्टर. किस चैप्टर के बाद कौन सा चैप्टर पढ़ना है, जिससे कि हमें अच्छे समझ में आ सके, करेक्ट ना? After cell, which chapter we have to carry on like nutrition and nutrients, so we can understand the processes properly, and our syllabus will also get prepared, correct na? So our biology for 9th 10th will be complete prepared while my syllabus will get complete. It will be complete to you also of class 10th too. And these all topics which I am giving, nutrition in plants, animals, digestion in amoeba, these all I'll ask in the examination also. That is the first terminal, correct? The next examination is first terminal only. Who asked you to present the screen? Unnecessary. Shall we carry on? Because it's already 11:33. 2 more minutes we see and then we will start. We can't take your book with you and all the other students who is all there. Manvi, you are having the book with you now. We have to go through the chapter 6. Yeah, good girl. And nutrition chapter that you have to prepare. You have to prepare the notes also. जैसे हमने समझाया है उसी के अकॉर्डिंग आपको नोट्स भी प्रिपेयर करने हैं. It will be easy for you to understand. As like in chemistry, it is prepared like this. I prepared these notes myself. Like that, you have to prepare in bio also, step by step all. जिससे कि हमें समझने में कोई प्रॉब्लम ना हो कभी भी. We just pick up our note and we can understand. That's why I am telling you to go through the notes. I think so. We start then, huh? Shall we start? Yeah, is it visible ना? समझ में आ रहा होगा ये कि हम लोग क्या पढ़ रहे हैं और चैप्टर क्या है, what is being mentioned here, and you have your book with you. Okay. So today we will complete till plant tissues. Plant tissues क्या होते हैं, कहाँ तक present होते हैं? In this class we will complete till here. Where is this meristematic tissue present? कहाँ present होता है? And we will take an example of onion also. And we had seen the cells of onion peel already in the lab. How do they look? They have a nucleus, cytoplasm, cell walls for protection and separation of components of the cell from the other cells. Fine. So chapter 6, tissues. What is a tissue? Combination of cells or cluster of cells, that is group of large number of cells. From the last chapter, we recall that all living organisms are made of cells. सारे living organisms किसके बने हुए हैं? Cells. And what are the components present in cells? This also we know. क्या पता है कि नहीं पता है? Do we know the components present in the cell? Everyone with their functions. What is the function of vacuole? What is the function of vacuole? Store food. Yeah, store food. Correct. From the last chapter, we recall that all living organisms are made of cells. In unicellular organisms, a single cell performs all basic functions. A single cell means we are going to take the example of amoeba. Amoeba is a single celled organism. For example, in amoeba, a single cell carries out movement. ये movement भी show कर रहा है. कैसे movement show कर रहा होगा? Can anybody tell me? Amoeba is showing movement. How? By the help of its arms. By the help of its arms called pseudopodia. By the help of its arms called pseudopodia. Okay. In amoeba, a single cell carries out movement. Intake of food means taking in of food, and gaseous exchange and excretion. How many processes are taking place in amoeba? Tell me. First one, I take just a second. I take a note so I can. Yeah. Processes or movements in amoeba. How it is being possible? By the help of pseudopodia. किसकी help से possible हो रहा है ये? Pseudopodia. Pseudopodia is what? Arms of the amoeba. Like this is what an amoeba. In the center there is what? Nucleus. All around what is filled? Cytoplasm. Okay. Then these arm like structures, ये जो arms like structure हैं, this is called pseudopodia. ठीक है. ये क्या करते हैं, जब भी कोई फूड पार्टिकल इसके पास आता है, when any food particle come nears to it, जब भी कोई फूड पार्टिकल इसके पास में आता है, दिस pseudopodia captures it, इसको कैप्चर कर लेता है एंड टेक्स इट इनसाइड द सेल, और कहां ले जाता है? सेल के अंदर. वेयर देयर इज अ वैक्यूल, जहां सेल में क्या हो जाता है? देयर इज अ फॉर्मेशन ऑफ वैक्यूल, मींस स्टोरेज बैग. वैक्यूल क्या होता है? स्टोरेज बैग ऑफ द सेल. वेयर assimilation process takes place. Which process is taking place? Assimilation. What is assimilation? In the vacuole, assimilation process takes place. What is assimilation? breaking down of complex material, breaking down of complex material into simpler form. ओके, फिर जब ये सिंपलर फॉर्म में आ जाता है, व्हेन इट गेट्स चेंजेड इनटू सिंपलर फॉर्म, इट इज एब्सॉर्ब्ड बाय द साइटोप्लाज्म. दिस सिंपलर फॉर्म of the food is absorbed by cytoplasm, absorbed by cytoplasm. जो nutrients food में present हैं, what is getting absorbed? Nutrients. These are absorbed by the cytoplasm and then waste is excreted. This is what the example of amoeba. Amoeba movement कैसे show कर रहा है? Pseudopodia की help से. Food कैसे ले रहा है? Movement with the help of pseudopodia. Movement show कर रहा है. Taking in food. Food intake. Then excretion. Giving out of waste material, that is also done by pseudopodia. These all three functions are getting performed by the arms of amoeba, and that what we read, that is pseudopodia. Correct? Any doubt in this? Any doubt in this? Okay. Who is this? See, next what happens when any mother cell is about to divide. अब हम बात करने वाले हैं अपने चैप्टर किसके? टिश्यू के बारे में. When any cell that is so called mother cell, it is about to divide. जब ये divide होने वाला होता है तो क्या होता है? This nucleus, this plays central role. और ये divide हो जाता है slowly. This nucleus gets thin and long, and afterwards it is divided into two daughter cells, and like this the division of cell goes on, and like this only they are getting multiplied, their number is increasing, and they will form a large number, that is a group, or us group or cluster of cells we will call that as tissue. Is it correct? What is the title? Tissue. ये clear हुआ? अमीबा कैसे मूवमेंट शो कर रहा है ये पता चला. How it is taking food, this also we came to know. What we came to know? Amoeba, it is a single cell that carries out movement. Underline that. Intake of food and gaseous exchange. Gaseous exchange, you understood? Taking in of air and giving out of air. That is what? Gaseous exchange. And excretion, removal of waste. Any doubt in these four processes? Right there only. First, second, third, fourth. In your book only you mention very small. First, second, third and fourth. Mention. Did you mark in the book or not? Yeah, okay. But in multicellular organisms, there are millions of cells. Most of these cells are specialized to carry out specific functions. As like हमारी body में बहुत सारे cells हैं वो function कर रहे हैं. But we don't know are they doing their function properly or not. So that's why we go for testing and checkups and see that the presence of RBCs, hemoglobin or glucose, potassium, phosphorus, how much that is in our body. So all these are present, then it will work properly. Correct ना? क्या आपको पता है कि आपके सेल अच्छे से वर्क कर रहे हैं अभी कि नहीं कर रहे हैं? You don't know. Do you know? We can take a simple example like if you cut your nail, they will increase. You cut your hair, they will increase. It means the processing is going in the cells. If the processing is not going, your nails will not grow, your hairs will not grow, your wounds will not get healed. आपको कोई चोट लग जाती है तो वो ठीक हो जाती है. So how it happens? The cells are working, correct? But in multicellular organisms, for example humans or plants also, they also have many cells. There are millions of cells. Most of these cells are specialized to carry out specific functions like tongue for tasting, eye for seeing, hands for working and writing. Each specialized function is taken up by a different group of cells. और ये जो group of cells है, that is what? Tissue. Skin is an example of tissue. Blood is an example of tissue. Blood क्या है? It is an example of tissue. Skin, it is an example of tissue because it is a cluster of cells. Since these cells carry out only a particular function, हाँ particular function ही perform कर रहे हैं. Eyes are for seeing, nose for smelling, tongue for tasting, legs for walking. तो सभी का एक particular function है. If we talk about internal organs like heart, pumping out the blood, liver helps in digestion of the food, small intestine digestion of the food, lungs exchange of gases, mouth for chewing the food. So all the different organs or tissues are having some particular functions in multicellular organism. They do it very efficiently और वो अपना सारा काम बहुत अच्छे से करते हैं. When we are sleeping also, then also they do their work. Correct ना? When you are sleeping, then also your heart is getting beat up. Food is getting digested, stomach is doing its work. You are breathing, respiration is going on, production of energy is going on. So these works go on 24 hours in a day. They do not stop till we are alive. And when these processes get stopped, then we are not alive, we are termed as dead. Correct now? When these cells or the particular tissues stops working, doing their work or performing the functions, so what happens? Our lives get ended up at that time. Correct? Because in a body there are different organs. In human beings, muscle cells contract and relax. As when we breathe in, when we take in air, there is the expansion of lungs. When we breathe it out, there is a contraction. Expansion means to expand, to spread, and contraction means to get close. Correct? In human beings, muscle cells contract and relax to cause movement. Nerve cells carry messages. Who carry messages to the brain? A question arises here. Who carries messages to the brain? That is which cell is that? Nerve cells. Underline that. Nerve cells carry messages. Tissue है ये. It is an example of tissue. Blood. It is also example of tissue. Blood किसका example है? Blood is the example of. Correct. Blood flows to transport oxygen. Blood का क्या काम है? It transport oxygen to the different parts of the body. Food, hormones and waste material and so on. Carbon dioxide भी एक waste material है जिसको कौन carry करता है? Blood. Keep in mind this thing very clearly. Carbon dioxide is also a waste material which is excreted with the help of blood. In plants, vascular tissues conduct food. Underline करो इसे. That is the phylum, right there only. In plants, vascular tissues conduct food and water from one part of the plant to other. Food is conducted by phylum and water is conducted by xylem. Who conducts? Which tissue conducts water? That is xylem. Food is conducted by phylum tissue. और इसके और भी components होते हैं. We will come to know when we will read about permanent tissue and simple permanent tissue. That is parenchyma, sclerenchyma, collenchyma, aerenchyma. These are the different types of simple permanent tissues. Next, so multicellular organisms show division of labor. Division of labor का मतलब अगर एक ही organ सारे function perform करेगा, it will be hard to manage. तो उसने क्या किया? The work has been divided, like filtering, that is kidney, production of bile juice, liver, pancreatic juices, pancreas, intestinal enzymes, small intestine, removal of waste or collection of waste at rectum and removal is done through anus, lungs, gaseous exchange. तो सभी का अपना एक particular function है. Correct na? If suppose lungs is only taking in air, giving out air, it is only getting mixed with the blood, it is only filtering. This is Pragya Gupta, and it only pumps the blood also. Soyal Mansuri. Okay, so suppose if one organ is doing all the things, it is helpful in tasting, it is helpful in smelling, it is helpful in seeing, your mind will get confused in taking decision. Correct na? If one organ is only performing the work, because the messages are sent by nerve cells. कौन मैसेज सेंड कर रहा है? नर्व सेल. ब्लड ट्रांसपोर्ट कर रहा है ऑक्सीजन, और वेस्ट को एक्सट्रेट करने में भी हेल्प कर रहा है. इज इट क्लियर ना? Why the cells or the tissues or the organ have a particular work? Is it clear? Yes or no? अच्छा, एक एग्जांपल लेते हैं, इजी एग्जांपल. सपोज इन अ बाइक वी यूज द ब्रेक फॉर स्टॉपिंग, लेकिन एक्सीलरेटर, ब्रेक्स और क्लच सबका काम केवल एक ही हैंडल करेगा, तो क्या उसको मैनेज करना इजी होगा? टेल मी दिस थिंग. अगर एक्सीलरेटर जो है वही उसी से हम हैंडल कर रहे हैं, उसी से हम ब्रेक्स लगा रहे हैं, उसी से स्पीड भी ले रहे हैं, उसी से लाइट्स ऑन कर रहे हैं, उसी से हम क्या कर रहे हैं, दैट वी आर ब्लोइंग द हॉर्न ऑल्सो, will it function properly? Tell me. No. But if the works are divided like an organization in our body in the form of tissues or organs, और वो एक particular function perform करें, then it can be easily managed. Correct? So we will discuss more about the tissues, and first we will talk about the plant. Correct now? Because just now we read that the vascular tissue conducts food and water. और वो vascular tissue क्या है? That is present in the stems and roots. That is phylum. Phylum is present in the stems and the different parts of the plant, which helps in the transportation of food. Second, xylem. It helps in the transportation of water to the different parts of the plant, and it is also present in the roots. क्योंकि roots क्या करते हैं? Water को absorb कर रहे हैं. Then this cluster of cells called a tissue, what is the title? Clear. Is arranged and designed so as to give the highest possible efficiency of function. Why the works are divided? Because to give the efficiency of function, means the work can be done properly. And these are the examples. Underline these examples. Blood, phylum and muscle are the examples of tissues. A group of cells that are similar in structure and or work together to achieve a particular function forms a tissue. So the cells which are similar in structure, जो cells similar है structure में, देखने में similar है, and they are performing one particular function, that is called tissue. Is it clear? Group or cluster of cells which are similar in structure and performing a particular function of work, that is called tissue. Any doubts till here? This was the introduction. You are having your books with you. You can ask any of the doubts if you have in this one para which we have cleared just now. हम लोग क्या स्टोर करते हैं सेल्स में? ATP. और प्लांट्स क्या स्टोर करते हैं? दे स्टोर द फूड दैट इज सो प्रिपेयर्ड कॉल्ड स्टार्च. करेक्ट ना? What happened? Any problem? Anybody any problem? No. So are plants and animals made of same types of tissues? Let us compare their structure and functions. In chapter 5 we have read about animal cells and plant cells. Can you tell me any one difference between them? One or two differences between them. As plastids are present in plant cell, but plastids are not present in animal cell. Correct now? The vacuoles are large sized in plants, but these are small sized in animals. Am I right or not? This you can see on the page number 64. Plant cell is made there. Chloroplast is present in plant cell, but it is absent in animal cell. Vacuoles are very large sized, but vacuoles are very small sized in animal cell. जो vacuoles होते हैं वो animal cells में छोटे होते हैं, but in plants they are large sized. So do plants and animals have the same structure? Maybe, but not the same function. Do they perform similar functions? No, they do not perform the similar functions. Similar functions they perform, but it is performed by different tissues. Yes, we can say similar functions perform कर रहे हैं. They are also taking in oxygen, correct? They are also taking that carbon dioxide, वो भी gases ले रहे हैं, हम भी gases ले रहे हैं, similar function हो गया. They are also producing food, we are also producing food, but we are producing it in the form of nutrients जो हम उनसे ले रहे हैं, तो ये भी function कुछ similar हो गया. They are giving the waste products by stomata, we are also excreting waste products, so the function is what? Similar or not? In our body blood flows, and in the plants water flows along with the transport of water, also that food. Water flows plus food also, it is transported to different parts of the plant. As in our body energy is supplied to different parts of the plant. तो हम कह सकते हैं इनका स्ट्रक्चर और फंक्शन वो सिमिलर हो सकता है समवॉट, करेक्ट ना? फंक्शंस तो सिमिलर हैं, स्ट्रक्चर इट इज गोइंग टू बी डिफरेंट. स्ट्रक्चर कैसे डिफरेंट हो जाएगा? प्लांट्स को देखो, ओनियन, ऐसा कोई क्या फेस दिखता है किसी ह्यूमन बीइंग का या एनिमल का? नहीं. सो स्ट्रक्चर इज डिफरेंट. कैन यू सी एनी पोटैटो लाइक? नो. पोटैटो, कैरेट, रेडिश, so they are different in structure but similar in function, right? They are only somewhere different in structure but similar in function. ठीक है? Structure means their appearance, they are different, but their function that is similar to us. There are noticeable differences between the two. Plants are stationary or fixed. They don't move. Since they have to be upright, they have a large quantity of supportive tissues which are present in the stem. The supportive tissue generally has dead cells